Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Really bright sun on my face in winter days. It feels really nice. Yes, it's time to bash, people. The DHK Hobby Zombie 8E. Let's see how long it will survive in this area on this terrain. I found a little bit of jump over there, so we're gonna jump it for sure. We're gonna bump it for sure. We're gonna roll it, cartwheel it. I mean, I'm gonna go crazy on this and see how long it will survive, because that's what they should design these for. Let's get it dirty. And after this, I have my Toyota right here, the metal four-wheel drive truck, which has 3-speed central transmission, switchable using the radio control, and this baby is all metal. I hope you have watched my indoor review of this, unboxed and gave you a closer look on it. And finally, we will drive the bang steering one right here, LFR 6-wheel drive truck. So let's get to it. Are you ready, DHK Zombie? Brains! Zombie 8E, electric brushless 4-wheel drive 1/8 scale off-road truggy. If you are a zombie games or zombie movies fan like me, you are simply going to love this color scheme on on this shell. It does come with 4 big off-road tires like these and very nice wheels. 4 of them, but they are not installed for the packing reasons. So first thing that you're gonna notice right outside the box are these metal knuckle parts right here with the metal hex axles for the wheels that wheels will fit on. They're all metal. They say the engineering grade nylon is used for other parts, and of course there are other metal parts inside as well. Before that, you also want to notice the metal hex axles that will go on that wheels will go on the rear as well. Now this one does not have any wheelie bar, nor it has any LED lights like Vicar Bison had. Anyway, so let me just remove this shell. I mean, really, check it out. This thing is really beautiful. Not only the design but the color scheme. I'm loving it, man. Let me put it down here. Now, here is the truggy, alright, and you can see a lot of metal parts here with upper braces, the metal heat sink on the motor. This is a 2030 kV 3670, if I'm not mistaken, motor, brushless motor, okay. It's running 100 amp waterproof ESC. Is the receiver case waterproof? I'm not sure. We'll find out very soon the hard way. If there's a water, I'll just bash it in the water. The battery bay is here. The bottom plate is all metal, the chassis plate all metal with the tap screws that actually go in. Nothing is outside. Motor motor is adjustable. You can slide it so you can adjust the gear mesh, okay. At the moment I'm not doing anything. I'm just gonna use it as it came. It has metal shock towers on the front and rear, okay, and metal shocks, hydraulics. They're oil-filled metal shocks, big bore metal shocks on the front, okay, you can see that right here, and on the back as well. And if I'm not mistaken, I can also see an anti-roll bar on the rear and on the front side as well. 70 km/h on 3S 2600 milliamp 20C battery. Come on, 20C? I mean, at least 60-70C for hungry beasts like these. Come on, people. So, can it do 70 km/h? I'm not sure. We'll find out very soon. Here is a radio control, pistol grip radio control with handle for you to hold it, but anyway, you all hold it here. Nice and neat radio control, Okay, nothing new on the design. I have seen this before. And then you have trimmers and reverse switches, on off switches right here. Let's go, baby, bash time. Remember not to stand behind it. Sweet. Nice power and drift, but it's not pulling wheelies, people. One moment, from zero speed, I mean from static. It is powerful, but it's not pulling wheelies. Okay, it did. It did, but not like stones, not like you know, bison, which pulls wheelies on demand. It does have power. It's shooting stones at me really bad. It's feisty. Out. And well, there goes wheelies. There goes wheelie. It does do wheelies, but it doesn't have wheelie bar, so you gotta be very, very careful. Oh, that was nice. Wait a minute, baby. We have a jump here. I was actually looking for it. So, if we can cross this area. Yeah, I scratched the bottom, definitely. Man, this is a zombie killer right here. Definitely a zombie killer. But it's not a zombie, it's a zombie killer. Woo, nice, man. It has power. It can actually jump very well, I believe. Stones. There's no stopping this baby, man. I almost killed myself. Very nice. I'm seeing that the rear is sinking down. Maybe it's because we have to adjust the rear shocks to be a little higher. Otherwise, due to the torque, definitely it's gonna sink down. Hey, I chose this little thing for jump. Why I cannot jump? So here we go. A little jump. It's already a crawler, huh? Trying to crawl. Ooh, nice. That was nice. There's a timing. You have to punch the throttle on that timing, and you will get wheelie. Cart wheelie. That was nice. They have provided 2600 mAh or I don't know, 2700 mAh battery. I think they should provide 3000 something mAh so we could have more playtime. Alright, zombie. So far, you're still alive. Yeah, I got a couple of scratches right there. You can see. Which is good, because these are designed for scratches. To take scratches. Man, I'm feeling like I'm sitting in a bathroom, someone's bathroom, because there's a poop smell all around me. I don't know why. Ooh, stop it! Don't kill yourself. Oh man, this has some real nice power here. Oh, good, good, good. I don't have to go that far. Woo, nice. Stones on me. I always forget. I go full throttle while back is facing me. Nice. Whoa, now we are talking. Pulling wheelies. Little jumps. I think I gotta make myself a ramp, man. Really, I almost killed my new cars there. I really gotta make myself some ramp so I can actually enjoy some jumps. Whoa, that was a big stone it threw there. Alright, first inverted turtle. Yeah, that's the best I can do with these little jumps here. No, don't throw stones at me because I'm not wearing glasses. If I hit the stone in my eye, that's that. Woo! That could have been a nice jump, man. Okay, that has been a lot of jumps, bumps, and upside downs, cartwheelies, rolling, front rolling, back rolling. There has been a lot of that during these jumps. I was recording 120 frames per second jumps for some cool slow motion. I feel batteries are going down, so I'm gonna give it a rest, give this beast a rest, and do some slow play with the other four-wheel drive trucks. Wow, it's still jumping, man. Ooh, that was a sweet jump. All right, man. I am losing power on my throttle. What a sweet Truggy, man. Basically, I feel it's more durable than Bison. I don't know why, it's just a feeling. Nothing is broken. Nothing is overheating. Normal temperature. DHK Hobby. Man, simply loving the performance on this Zombie 8E. It's really a zombie. It's a powerful four-wheel drive zombie. So people, you watched it, that crazy bashing, and you know, all the cartwheelies, front bumps, and failed jumps. This thing is still alive and kicking, and plenty of playtime actually on a single 11.1 volt fully charged battery. Let's see, I have a 3300 milliamp battery as well. Let's see what is the increase in playtime. And of course, let's see how well it behaves and how much fun it is on the road. We just watched it off-road, and off-road is simply ripping, man. Loving it, DHK. Really 2 thumbs up product here. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button.